While I was getting ready to do a video tutorial this week on a quilting pattern, I wanted to come and talk to you a little bit about a project that I'm going to be doing on video in the next couple weeks, and it will go on for the next several months. This year we all have seemed to sacrifice a lot, and there's been a lot of social isolation, and I know that's true for me because I'm in between the manufacturer and the design office, so all of the work that I do by myself here, and it would just be nice to have some feedback and some interaction with some of you with this project. What I'm going to be doing is working on both of these block of the month simultaneously. One of them is Dog Park and one of them is Applique. I've chosen some fabrics here to go with my option. For the Dog Park, I found two different fabrics that simulate newsprint, which I thought would be really cute in the background of the Dog Park. One of these was available at Joann's Fabric. The other one I have the information for if anyone was interested in that specifically. The one for the alley cats, I wanted something that looked like string that had been a ball of string that a cat had played with, and so I found several different string type fabrics, but I'm leaning towards these two. I'm thinking I'm going to use this one for the background of the blocks and this one for the border, and then maybe pick up some of the purple or orange for the sashing. So I'm going to be doing these. I'm going to start in a couple weeks, but I wanted some of you to join me in doing this, and this would be a really great time to get in and purchase this because at the store we have 25% off on everything in the shop until November 6, 2020. So the full kit for either one of these with the fabric included for all of the laser cut applique, and they're all pre-fused with Steam-A-Seam. The total kit is $119.21. If you wanted to print the pattern at home just to do as an applique or have it shipped, it's $24.38, I believe. And if you have a Cameo Silhouette or a Brother machine that does the cutting at home, and you wanted to use your own fabric, you can purchase the SVG files for $21 even for either one of these two kits. So you could choose either Dog Park or Alley Cat. You could be on Team Cat or Team Dog. And I just really would like to have some people joining me as I do this, post some pictures of their backgrounds and their blocks as they go. And I think it would just be a nice way to interact with each other and keep each other company. So I'm going to get back to loading the quilt for this week's tutorial, and I hope that some of you will comment that you're going to join me for this project, and I look forward to starting soon.